Chile. Location: Chile is a long, narrow country located in South America, stretching along the western coast of the continent. It is bordered by Peru to the north, Bolivia to the northeast, Argentina to the east, and the Pacific Ocean to the west and south. Capital: the capital city of Chile is Santiago, situated in the central part of the country in the Santiago metropolitan region. Santiago serves as the political, economic, and cultural center of Chile. Population: as of 2022, Chile has an estimated population of over 19 million people. The population is predominantly urban, with a significant concentration in the Santiago metropolitan region and other major cities. Official language: the official language of Chile is Spanish. Spanish is used in government, administration, education, and everyday communication throughout the country. Government: Chile is a unitary presidential republic with a multi-party system. The President of Chile serves as the head of state and government, and executive power is vested in the President and the Cabinet. The country has a bicameral legislature consisting of the Chamber of Deputies and the Senate. Independence: Chile declared its independence from Spain on September 18, 1810, initiating a period of struggle known as the Chilean War of Independence. The process culminated in the formal proclamation of independence on February 12, 1818. Geography: Chile is geographically diverse, encompassing a variety of landscapes, including the Andes Mountains, the Atacama Desert, coastal plains, and fertile valleys. The country is also known for its numerous volcanoes, lakes, and glaciers. Economy: Chile has a mixed market economy characterized by a strong emphasis on mining, agriculture, and services. The country is a leading producer of copper, accounting for a significant portion of its export revenue. Other key sectors include forestry, fishing, tourism, and manufacturing. Currency: the official currency of Chile is the Chilean peso, CLP. The currency is issued and regulated by the Central Bank of Chile and is abbreviated as CLP, or represented by the symbol $. Culture: Chilean culture is influenced by a blend of indigenous traditions, European heritage, and contemporary trends. The country is known for its literature, music, dance, cuisine, and festivals, including the Cueca dance and the Fiestas Patrias, national holidays. Religion: Christianity is the predominant religion in Chile, with the majority of the population adhering to Roman Catholicism. However, the country is characterized by religious diversity, with minority communities practicing Protestantism, Judaism, Islam, and indigenous beliefs. Languages: Spanish is the official language of Chile and is spoken by the vast majority of the population. Additionally, there are several indigenous languages spoken by indigenous peoples, including Mapudungun, Quechua, and Aymara. Tourism: Chile is renowned for its natural beauty and outdoor recreational opportunities, attracting tourists from around the world. Popular tourist destinations include the Atacama Desert, Torres del Paine National Park, Easter Island, the Lake District, and the wine regions of Maipo and Colchagua. Environmental conservation: Chile is committed to environmental conservation and sustainability, with efforts focused on protecting its diverse ecosystems, wildlife, and natural resources. The country has established numerous national parks, nature reserves, and protected areas to preserve its biodiversity and promote ecotourism. International relations: Chile is a member of various international organizations, including the United Nations, the Organization of American States, OAS, and the Pacific Alliance. The country maintains diplomatic relations with countries around the world and is actively involved in regional and global initiatives promoting peace, security, and cooperation. Overall, Chile is a country with rich cultural heritage, stunning landscapes, and a thriving economy. Despite its challenges, Chile continues to play a prominent role in South America and the international community, contributing to regional stability, development, and environmental conservation.